Cheese.
Cheese. I don't know where we're going now. Do we, Mummy?
No.
You're going to check out it, right? Oh. Oh, they're cute. They're cute little puppies.
I haven't seen two grey collies before.
No.
Oh, they're so cute. Look, guys. Oh, that's nice.
There we are.
Hi, little one.
I'll get some fresh wood too.
Oh, look at the puppies.
You want to go in, Beth, right? Come on, Bridie.
Alright, they're good, aren't they?
Look at them.
They're so cute, aren't they, Mummy?
I'll get some fresh wood.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, I'd rather one of them actually than a puppy. Take that home.
Okay, I'll make
You're on a horse.
Oh no, they're very cute, aren't they?
Anybody understand the DVDs or no?
What are you going to show me?
Get there in a minute. The volume's nice, eh?
go across here. No, I don't want to go around. Have you ever seen a rectangle? Yeah.
I've tried to make a male. Okay. Huge, go.
Go,
Go.
Aren't they nice?
They're all the fun show. They're the fun show. Do you want a feather? You can bump you off. You can bump you. Oh, that was.
And maybe a good idea to close this door with the stop the going in there.
Whoa, what's the go? I want to touch them, so I'm going to use your feather.
Right.
You seem to like that.
So throw the rod and
Look at the duck.
Yeah, here, look. Don't go in the water.
I'm going to touch them. I just seen the most aggressive animals in the world. Now these things. There was like none of these cars except for that one.
I know.
Then there's no cars.
Are you going to tell them what we're doing?
Yeah. We're currently on a tractor, on the tractor ride to see the cows, and we're gonna see the newborn cows get fresh milk, and we're gonna touch the new cows. That's all I heard, really. And so here we are. It's very bumpy. Bumpy. And at the start, my mummy's friend told me it wouldn't be fast, and at the start it just raced on, and there's no it's slow. So now I just said to her, you said it was going to be fast, and then it's like middle fast. It's really cool. Oh, the stuff has stopped. Oh my goodness. There's a lot of cows. That's a lot of cheeseburgers. There's a lot of patting cows.
Come on, Bruce, moving a bit.
Wait, there's two dogs. There's two dogs.
That's what James dogs do. You put them every day, not to bring cows in for
We're going to
milking.
milk the cows twice a day, every day of the year.
Why are there two
If you
dogs?
don't milk them, you'll get mastitis.
What's that?
It's an infection of the udder. The milk goes bad, really. It goes lumpy like rice pudding. Very painful.
So
Wait!
they're right down there.
When a cow gets a baby calf, they should give about 50 pints of milk a day. But 10 months after calving, they produce milk. Ideally, you want them to have one calf every 12 months. They milk for 10 months of the year, and they generally have about 2 months when they're dry, getting ready for the next calving. Sorry? Well, if they're pregnant and they're not on heat, they're not pulling, they don't want to meet the bull.
They're coming.
That's on the farm. It's 20 acres, and so this field of grass will keep 10 cows fed through the whole year.
Why are some laying down?
Well, they do lie down and resting. But the dogs will bring them now. They'll gradually pick them all up. Come on, girls, in you go. So the lady comes tonight and she likes the cows in for milking at 4 o'clock. So we've got a quarter of an hour to get them in. Come on then. Are they what?
All cows? No, milk. Girls.
Yeah, only mothers produce milk. This field of grass really, which is enough grass to feed 10 cows, and the average cow gives you 30 pints a day through the year. So this field of grass is actually being turned into 300 pints of milk every day of the year. And the average person should eat or drink a pint of milk a day. So this field of grass is actually keeping 300 people in dairy products every day of the year. Yep.
Why do you have the milk on my ear?
Well, every cow in the country has the yellow tags in their ears, or sometimes metal tags. They have to have 2 tags each. And then we got an identification green tag, so we know them individually. Alright. In you go, girls! So the granny cow's got low floppy udders, and the young one's got high small udders.
Why do they have colours on them?
Colours? Oh, the tapes on their tails. Well, the ones which are producing the most milk have got 2 yellow tapes on their tails. And we feed them extra concentrates in the milking parlour.
And you'll get me in that one. Travis, don't be careful. Look at the thorn it's from. Whoa! It got put in his thumb. Look.
You're trying to eat her.
Look! Liz! Yeah? It likes me!
The feeder's coming through, so...